What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be doing my Vrsf intakes. So we got that going on. I'm on my way to the homie's house. I should be there in a few minutes. We're just gonna tackle it real quick, just get it going, and I'll keep you guys updated. Today it's a little dark outside, so I'll try and make it the best I can. I just gave it a quick wipe down, so you guys will see wet spots, but this will be the small intake tube on this side, and along the carbon fiber brace we got the long tube intake that's gonna be right here. So first things first, we gotta take off these 3 bolts over here. 1, 2, 3 on both sides. So let me get that going. All right, cool. So we're gonna take these bolts over here, size 10. Shit, I got it backwards. All right, cool. Size 10, only 3 of them. Alright, cool. Once you're all done with those 3 bolts, let's move it over to the side, get it out of the way. There's one little bolt here, but it's not necessary to take it off. They'll snap easily anyway. Alright, cool. So when you guys get both sides, it should look like this. After the 3 bolts have been taken off on each side, just put them to the side. You gotta take off the strut bar. You're gonna see 1, 2, 3 bolts on each side. We got one there, another one here, and then we have one on the coolant tank. Don't forget this one. You guys don't want to mess that up. So that's already 6 bolts, 7, 8, 9 just for the strut bar. So let's get that going. All right, so we're gonna start with these down here. These are 14 millimeter bolts. There's 9 of these bolts, so should all be the same size, 14. Alright, cool. So we just got 6 left and the one on the coolant tank. So again, they're all 14. So just be careful. Just drop no bolts. The bottom 2. These are different sizes. These are small ones, so don't get this confused. And the other 3, this will be 6 long ones and 2 short ones. All right, cool. Don't forget this coolant bolt. I almost forgot. My boy just told me, so you guys don't want to lose this one. Put it somewhere safely, and now we can take off the strut bar. And there you guys go. Strut bar is off. So let's put this somewhere safe so you won't scratch it. All right, cool. Now we're gonna pop the covers off. This is a Torx bit. Get it off. Oh well, it's a Torx bit. I don't know what size, but there you have it. All right, cool guys. So we got the bolts off the intake box. We got the intake sensor off as well. You're gonna have to take off this coolant line, and now just the clamp on the inlet. And don't forget this other line right here that's connected to your intake. And I think that should be off. So intake sensor, hose, and clamp hose. And so, all right guys, this is the Vrsf intake. We got the coolant flange right here, map sensor, hose, and clamp. Your intake will go at the end here. So we're gonna hurry up and just put this on real quick. I'll show you guys when it's done. All right guys, the intakes are in. Sorry we couldn't get a lot of video, but we were in a hurry. It's already dark out. Gotta be at work in the morning, you know. But there it is. It's how it's gonna look. It doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. Look at that. Damn. Y'all see that? It's looking good.